Welcome to 4306 Goldenhill Drive in the fabulous San Marcos subdivision of Pittsburg, California. This beautifully maintained single level home offers the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and location. Offering 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, this home is nestled in a quiet neighborhood. The residence features a bright and open floor plan designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. Step inside to find spacious living areas filled with natural light, a kitchen with ample cabinetry and counter space, and inviting dining and family areas ideal for gatherings. Don't miss out on your chance to call 4306 Golden Hill Drive home. If you need further information, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Adam Golden with Compass Real Estate. Have a great day.